So Sam, he just knocked over his Izzy, and it kind of went all over the chair here. And
It left a cool stain though.
Yeah, it did. It's pretty cool.
Except for the fact that it looks like blood.
Yeah, so now we can't sit anything. So.
Or you can't see it because you think we'll like kill someone.
Yeah. So. We didn't. Yeah, we didn't. It's just a cool stain.
Yeah, from an Izzy.
That's it. Yeah, tell your friends about us because we really need some support from our fans. Okay? We need some hippie support. What are you doing? What? We need some support. Okay? Support is all we need because they're making people famous people ever. We'll make you known to all the world. What? We just don't think that I see you to the camera. I didn't do anything. God. So, ow. Ow! Bitch! Ow! If you throw that at me one more time, I'm gonna... Ow! This is all good.